your guide to hosting elegant dinner parties on a budget. When a guest sits down, there should be something beautiful and inspiring to look at. Annie Falk. Here are some of the items that I use to set up for my dinner party. Dinner plates and bowls from Dollar Tree. Blue placemats from HomeGoods. Gold plastic charger plates from Michaels. Dinner napkins from HomeGoods. Blue wine glasses from Pier 1. And I have 3 types of wine glasses. The standard red, the red sherry, and the tumbler, all from HomeGoods. I incorporated an ethanol fireplace that I got from Target to add to the ambiance. I have 2 blue ceramic birds from Pier 1, 2 gold candle holders, a blue table runner from HomeGoods, a tabletop ethanol fire pit from Amazon, a few white serving trays that were gifted to me, and some bottles of wine. I like to lay out all of my items on a table and work from there. So right now I'm laying out the placemats, positioning them in front of each chair. And have fun while you're doing this, y'all. It's supposed to be fun. I'm adding the gold charger plates that I got from Michaels, and I believe they were about $1 each. Next, I'm going to layer the white plates that I got from Dollar Tree. It's a lot of going around in circles, but it's still fun. Now I'm trying to figure out which way I want to lay the dinner napkins across the plate. I have the bowls that I got from Dollar Tree. And you figure out your process, how you want to do this. It doesn't have to be the exact way. That's my blue runner that I got from HomeGoods. The ceramic bird and the gold candle holder. This is the tabletop ethanol fire pit. Now I have my blue wine glasses that I got from Pier 1. Those were about $7 per glass. So I'm just going around. I always have about 3 glasses next to each plate. Different types of wine glasses. I have the serving trays that were gifted to me. And look at that ambiance. Look at that. Have fun. Now think about this. Before you begin to host, you must first be hospitable. You don't want to frustrate your guest because you're not hospitable. You also want to make sure that your home has all of the right conditions to host to begin with. And working with a small budget doesn't minimize the quality of your event. It just means that the way you go about it looks a little different. You have to be resourceful. Think about using pieces you're saving for a special occasion. Anything vintage or heirloom quality. Anything that's been handed down to you. Take everyday household items and incorporate them. It's going to take some imagination and your creativity. And remember, the elements don't need to be expensive. A lot of people equate elegance with expensive, and that's just not the case. So after you do a little inventory of what you have laying around the house, incorporate them and make the event memorable. It doesn't take much to host a successful, elegant dinner party. With a little planning and nicely arranged settings, you'll be fine. So I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. Have fun hosting.